How to add account to Microsoft Authenticator without QR code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add account to Microsoft Authenticator without QR code. To do so, you will need to have the private key or setup key of that account. Now open the Authenticator application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account here. Once logged into your account, you will see the scanner icon at the bottom right. You will need to tap on the scanner icon. This is shown to you in order to scan the QR code. Here, since we are not using the QR code, you will need to tap on this Enter Code Manually button at the very bottom. Once you tap on this option, now here you will need to select a kind of account. Here select Other Account and then here give a name for your account. I am giving it KuCoin. You can give the name as per your preference. After that, in the second box here you will need to paste the secret key that you have copied from the account. Once after doing that, tap on this Finish button right here and then you will be able to successfully set up the account. Now you will need to tap on this account and then there you will be able to see one-time password, which is the 6-digit code generated by the Microsoft Authenticator. So by following these steps, you should be able to add account to Microsoft Authenticator without QR code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.